verse 22. After these things, Jesus and his disciples came into the land of Judea, and there he remained with them and baptized. Now John also was baptizing in Aenon, near Salim, because there was much water there. And they came and were baptized, for John had not yet been thrown into prison. Then there arose a dispute between some of John's disciples and the Jews about purification. And they came to John and said to him, Rabbi, he who was with you beyond the Jordan, to whom you have testified, behold, he is baptizing, and all are coming to him. John answered and said, a man can receive nothing unless it has been given to him from heaven. You yourself bear with me witness that I said, I am not the Christ, but I have been sent before him. He who has the bride is the bridegroom, but the friend of the bridegroom who stands and hears him rejoices greatly because of the bridegroom's voice. Therefore this joy of mine is fulfilled. He must increase, but I must decrease. He who comes from above is above all. He who is of the earth is earthly and speaks of the earth. He who comes from heaven is above all. And what he has seen and heard, that he testifies, and no one receives his testimony. He who has received his testimony has certified that God is true. For he whom God has sent speaks the word of God, for God does not give the Spirit by measure. The Father loves the Son and has given all things into his hand. He who believes in the Son has everlasting life, and he who does not believe the Son shall not see life, but the wrath of God abides on him. So, mga disipulo ni John ay nabahala at nagbigay ng hamon. Senyales na mga bagito pa sila, masigasig, ngunit kulang sa maingat na pagpasya. Ano ba ang pinagtalunan nila? Baptism. Si John, isang mahusay na huwaran na manggagawa ng Diyos na magpakumbaba para itaas lamang si Kristo. Huwag natin kainggitan ang nabigyan ng maraming kaloob ang iba kaysa atin na nakagawa ng marami para sa kaharian ng Diyos. Pinaalalahanan sila ni John na si Jesus na hindi siya mahigitan maliban kung hindi ni Jesus ito natanggap sa Ama mula sa langit. Kung ang Diyos nais ibigay ang kaloob sa ibang denominasyon ng higit na kakayanan at tagumpay sa gawain ng Reformed Baptist, mainis ba tayo sa Diyos at sabihin hindi siya patas? Tandaan natin, servants din sila ng ating Panginoon. Sa sunod na mga chapter, bababa na si John at mamamatay na, tapos na ang misyon niya at ito'y kalooban ng Diyos. Pangalawa, ang pinagpalang kalagayan ng lahat na tunay na Kristiyano, sabi sa verse 36, he who believes in the Son has everlasting life. Katiyakan ito sa mga tunay na nagtitiwala kay Jesus bilang tagapagligtas. At ang wala pa kay Jesus Kristo, sabi din, he who does not believe the Son shall not see life, but the wrath of God abides in him. Sabi nga sa Psalm 7:11, na kung titingnan natin, tulad ng 7:11, na bukas 24 hours, no? Sabi, ang Diyos ay hukom na matuwid. Ang isang Diyos na araw-araw ay may galit. At kung ituloy pa natin sa verse 12, kung hindi magsisisi ang tao, ihahasa ng Diyos ang tabak nito, kanyang inihanda at iniumang ang kanyang palaso. Sana magkaroon talaga tayo ng fear sa ating Panginoon, sa galit niya, kung wala tayo kay Jesus.